In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Adobe Acrobat extension for Chrome. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you can seamlessly integrate this handy tool into your daily browsing activities. First, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. If you're already familiar with it, then you know that it's the essential hub for discovering a wide variety of extensions and tools that enhance your browsing experience. Once there, you'll want to utilize the search functionality. Simply type Adobe Acrobat into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the specific extension designed to work seamlessly within your Chrome environment. As soon as the search results are displayed, you should see Adobe Acrobat among the top results. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the official Adobe Acrobat extension to maintain security and functionality. Once you've confirmed you're looking at the correct extension, you'll notice an inviting button that says Add to Chrome. Clicking this button is your next step to proceeding with the installation. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog. It will contain details about what the extension will be able to do. Don't worry, it's just asking for the necessary permissions it needs to function properly. Once you're comfortable with what you're allowing, go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. The system will take a moment to process your request. Once the process wraps up, the Adobe Acrobat extension will automatically appear in your browser's toolbar area, or you might find it tucked away neatly under the extension's icon, presented as a small jigsaw puzzle piece. Let's pause here for a moment and talk about why this extension can be a game changer for your web productivity. Adobe Acrobat makes it incredibly simple to view, convert, and even sign PDFs directly from your browser. You no longer have to download a PDF to interact with it. Imagine how much time and effort you save. Now, going back to your toolbar, when you click the Acrobat icon, you'll see a user-friendly menu of options that Adobe Acrobat brings to your fingertips. It's as simple as that. With the Adobe Acrobat extension now installed, feel free to experiment with viewing and managing PDFs. Every time you're browsing and come across a PDF, just click that handy icon to see how effortlessly your interactions change. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Adobe's robust PDF capabilities directly into your Chrome browser. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your browsing experience is now more productive and efficient. See you in the next video.